To make this wreath base, I'm going to use 2 aluminum pie plates. And I just took a cover from a jar and I drew a circle around. Make a slit to get started. And then cut out the circle. Now you're going to place them like this and tape them together all around the outside. Like that. Now crumple up some newspaper flyers and stuff them inside. If you're going to use your wreath outside, you want something waterproof, so aluminum foil will probably be great. Okay, like that. And now you're going to wrap your form with burlap or fabric or denim or an old t-shirt cut into strips. So you just start wrapping your form around and around. And when you've totally wrapped your form, hot glue across